Hi, I'm Rosary Fazende-Jones, and I want to welcome you to World Lit 1 Summer Session, Summer 22. This is an online class. It's going to run from June 1st to July 25th, 6th, 28th, I think is the date of grades. It is online. Everything is online. And as a class, I've done some revisions from the way I was teaching it. And we are doing world literature with no European literature, which means it's a learning experiment for me and for you, as I have not really studied these in any depth until now. The first thing you should do is download the syllabus, read through it thoroughly, take the syllabus quiz. Then you will ask to go to do the plagiarism unit and the citation and documentation units for the first week of class. Each one has a quiz, and there is a plagiarism statement that you must download and sign and return to me in an email. Please use my school email account. I am based in Stuttgart, and because this is an online class, I'm going to offer an opportunity for Zoom office hours. So if you let me know, we'll set up a Zoom time, and I may set up one day a week where I just sit at my computer with Zoom on so that you can contact me and drop in and out. We'll see how that works. There will be a netiquette guide posted in the discussions. You will have to do discussions, and after you read the syllabus, take the quizzes, you will want to post in the discussion boards on the introduction post, which is just legitimately that, an introduction to yourself. Now, this course, I've got some work. It's not an easy course, but there's not going to be any midterm final exam kind of thing. Since it's summer, we can take some break. There will be unit quizzes, and the course is set up by units. We will do a unit on ancient Egyptian literature, ancient Mesopotamian literature, ancient Indian literature, ancient Chinese literature. Then we'll move into what's technically Middle Ages, which is really a European thing. And we'll look again at medieval literature and stuff of China, India, Japan. We will look at what's going on in North America as we go, but what we will not be doing is looking at Europe. I think that will give us a unique and different experience, and it makes us look a little wider than what we've already received. So no Odyssey, no Iliad, none of that good stuff. You'll live if you've missed. If you wanted that, you'll live. You'll meet some stuff that's even more interesting, I think. There will be a PowerPoint presentation. There will be a paper, and I'm having to scroll because I told you I made change. You will have to do 2 video discussion posts during the course of the summer, and I will post that for you so that you will know what you're supposed to do. But generally, you're just going to make a video. Won't be very long, maybe 5 minutes maximum. You'll upload it. It's easiest if you upload it to YouTube and then share a YouTube link after you make the video public. You can use any other version of a video sharing link that you wish, but that tends to be the easiest one. You will also, like I said, do a slideshow or a PowerPoint presentation. I'm revising that, and it will go up soon. You will have discussions in Blackboard, and they are not going to be, this is a survey class, so they're not going to be deep. What do you think the heart of this is, or what do you think this says about? It's a survey class. We're looking at cultures we don't know, so a lot of our discussion posts may very well simply be something along the lines of, "Hi, we've never read this. What did you think of it? Does it remind you of anything you've read before? What do you think it says about the culture it comes from? What do you think it says about our reaction to it?" Stuff like that. We will be reading a lot of stuff that most of us aren't familiar with and may not be comfortable with. And that's fine. That's how you learn. If you only are exposed to what you know and what you're comfortable with, you're not going to learn anything. And it's about the education. It's not about getting a grade. Obviously, we all want a decent grade, but that's not my purpose. That's your purpose. My purpose is to provide you with some interesting stuff that you've never dealt with and to learn from it. So hopefully we'll have some fun. Hopefully we won't stress out. too much. There are 11 units. Those 11 units are, let me get the exact stuff. And I've got it dated so that weeks start on Tuesday. So week 1 goes from June 1st to June 6th. Week 2, when we do ancient Mediterranean, Near Eastern, especially do ancient Egyptian literature, runs from June 7th to June 13th. June 14th, we do Indians, we do 2 units in that for week. I stopped and lost track. We do ancient Egyptian literature and ancient Mesopotamian literature. And we have 11 units, and it's kind of set up so that you do 2 units a week, but we might have a couple of units where we only do 1. So the first week, unit 1 is ancient Egyptian literature, followed by unit 2, which is ancient Mesopotamian literature. June 14th through June 20th, we do ancient Indian literature and ancient Chinese literature. Then we'll roll into some early modern stuff from the Middle East. We'll do some Ethiopian lit. We'll hit July 4th, in which we'll be doing classical Indian literature. Then we'll do some Japanese classical literature, followed by some more African and Islamic literature. We'll look at Indian poetry after Islam. And we will look at some Native American literature last. Because guess what? There are ancient cultures in the Americas, and we need to talk about those as well. So hopefully we have fun, and hopefully we have a good summer. And if you ever have any questions, drop me an email. I'm going to answer. I'm going to try to be online just as often as you are. And I've told you in the syllabus to be online 2, 3, 4 times a week. I'm not saying extensively, but it's going to take you, this is a 3-hour class. You should be online at least 3 hours. So let's hope we have some fun. Good luck. I'll enjoy reading your posts. Welcome to Worldlet 1.